of Times Now's coverage on Arnab Chatgate, which reveals how Republic TV founder made stunning references to a particular NM in the conversation between him and Partho Dasgupta. Opposition leaders are now accusing that the trail of the scandal has led to the Prime Minister's doorstep. So this sensational WhatsApp reference is where NM, that reference has been used by Arnab Goswami in that conversation with Partho Dasgupta, and the opposition is questioning the reference. The opposition also, in fact, is alleging that there's an unholy nexus. Let's in fact go across to our senior editor, Megha, joining us on the broadcast. Before that, let's take a look at some facts. This is what the conversation part 7 of our disclosure here reveals. Arnab Goswami, the founder of Republic TV, says, told you NM was going from PMO. Now, who is this NM that Arnab Goswami is talking about? Then he goes on to say, Rajat's last link. This is an exchange between Arnab Goswami and the former CEO of Partho Dasgupta, to which Partho Dasgupta then says, yes, you had said much earlier and it happened. Now, Partho Dasgupta is responding to what Arnab Goswami said about NM, NM in the PMO. Arnab Goswami then says, told you, okay, so this is the first part of the conversation where he's talking about NM, to which Partho Dasgupta confirms that, yes, you said this. Let's go across to Megha now. Megha, Arnab Goswami in this conversation says, I told you that NM was out of the PMO. Partho Dasgupta then says, yes, you said that. He confirms that Arnab Goswami did pass on that information to him. And now the opposition, of course, is asking questions. The opposition is also alleging there's some sort of an unholy nexus.
Well, Swati, there are a lot of things in these WhatsApp chats that are now out. It's for everybody to see the conversation that he was having with Partho Dasgupta. And here, it's just the conversation with a particular person which is there, which is being discussed. I mean, there are several other conversations in this charge sheet which has now been filed by the Mumbai police. Now, since you are specifically asking about this one chat, let me tell you that whatever NM stands for, you know, I am not going to do a second guess here. What it stands for, it's a matter of investigation. If the government feels like they will investigate into it, the center, I'm saying, because the Mumbai police is already, the state government in Maharashtra is already looking into it. It's a part of the TRP scam investigation, which is there with them. Now, the point here that one needs to understand, Swati, is about the access that he had with the government of India. Now, many journalists like us cover the government. We've been covering it for years. Yes, we have an access. Certainly we do. And many a time, since, you know, the main focus of our coverage today is the Balakot information, yes, many a times you will come across or you will stumble across important and sensitive information. And if that happens, you've got to be extremely responsible about it. If at all it has fallen in your lap, you will not be irresponsible about such information, sharing it with someone who has no connection, nothing whatsoever with it, not even news-wise. For what joy would you want to, you know, share or, you know, want to part with information which is so sensitive in nature, number one. Number two, like Shrinto was pointing out, I think I just want to elaborate upon it. If you have connections in the government, are you wanting to misuse it, or are you actually misusing it for your own benefit? Is TRP just so dear to you? I mean, there are people who are calling it vulture journalism. People who are using words like lust for TRP was so high in his mind that he went to all lengths. Was he actually misusing his connection in the government for his personal gains, for the gains for his channels? All of this is something that needs now some bit of a probe. Will the government go ahead and want to do it? Well, let's understand it this way, Swati. The government, after questions were raised, has already asked for a probe in the TRP matter, for which the report has already been submitted to the INB minister.
Megha, stay on with us. Stay on with us. Let's quickly also take a look at part 8 of